In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share notes in MyMind app. First, head to mymind.com and sign into your account. You can do this on the web or through the app if you prefer, but the process is the same. Give your workspace a moment to load so all your saved items are available. Think of your mind as a collection of cards, notes, links, images, highlights, and more. You can share any of these, but today we'll focus on a note. Next, locate the specific note you want to share. If your mind is well organized, you can simply scroll through your recent items. If you have a lot saved, use the search bar to find it by title or keywords you remember. Tags and collections can help you narrow things down quickly. Once you see the right card, click to open it so you're looking at the full note. Before you share, take a second to review the content. Make sure the title is clear and the note doesn't contain anything you don't want others to see. You can make a quick edit now if needed, then proceed to sharing. To create the share link, look for the share option in the notes menu. Depending on your version, this may be labeled Create Temporary Share Link, Private Share Link, or Mind Link. Select that option and MyMind will generate a unique URL just for this note. This link is designed for private sharing. It doesn't publish your note publicly, and only people with the exact link can view it. In many cases, these links are temporary or can be turned off later from the same menu, which gives you control over access. When the link appears, copy it to your clipboard. Now you can share it wherever you like. Paste it into a message, an email, a group chat, or a calendar invite. The recipient will be able to view the note through that link without needing access to your entire mind. And it stays read only, so your original content remains unchanged. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If you want to double check what others will see, paste the link into a private or incognito browser window to preview it. If someone says they can't open it, confirm that the link is complete and hasn't expired. And be mindful about where you post the link. Treat it as private, since anyone who has it can view the note. That's it. You've signed in, found your note, created a private share link, and sent it off. With these steps, sharing from MyMind is fast,